Hello guys, come on guys, let's just do makeup. So I'm just gonna quickly prime my eyes with P. Louise base. I will just dab it down like I usually do. I hope you're doing well guys. Okay, the palette I'm using is Patricia Bright's S Revolution. So I'm going in with the purple shade, deep purple, the shade called Reckless. So I will just dab the shade on my lid, and the brush I'm using is from our brush collection. I'm not blending, I just dab, try to fade, use the same brush, kind of fade it just a tiny little bit. I don't want to like blend at the moment. I want the purple to be very, very deep. I've done the other eye. Now I just want to kind of blend it. So go in again with another shade, and this shade called Wifey. It's lighter, like burgundy shade. This shade is so pigmented. I'm gonna try and use it, on it all next time. The shade is gorgeous. Then I went back in with Shimmery. This shade called Shimmery. This shade, it wasn't poppy at all. I didn't like it. No, I'm not satisfied with this shade. You see, it's not shiny, it's just dull. Then I go back in with that potty shade. It's called Next Door. The shade called Next Door. No Next Door, sorry, no exit. So I try to use my hand. It's like foil potty shade. Did it work with my hand very well? Then I use quite small precise brush. The shade is good. I'm gonna use this shade, no exit on it all. I wasn't feeling it. Then I went to get liquid shimmer from my local shop. It's like this shade is golden. I also have silver. I just want it to be poppy. Don't want to cut my crease, but I want to have that cut crease effect. That's what I'm aiming for today. This one is giving me, because it's a liquid shimmer, is giving me what I want on top of those two shades, the other two shades I have used. So I just want to take out all the excess shimmer shade I have on. This is from Tammi, from Makeup by Tammi. It's from her collection, graphic liner, and the shade called Coconut, not Cocoa, Coconut. The line is called Cake Liner from Makeup by Tammi on Instagram. I have made a full video when I review the cake liner. If you want to check that video out guys, it's on my channel. So I'm just drawing hooded eye, just drawing, trying to draw. It's not like I have a steady hand that I can actually draw, but I'm just trying. My unsteady hand is not gonna stop me from not creating any look I want. This is from Rimmel, although I end up doing it off camera because camera gonna stop in a minute. Then now I'm gonna do my bottom lash. I went in with no exit. I just press it down, both eye, then I'll blend slightly. On my bottom lash, I only use the two matte shade I use on my eyelid. This one is Reckless, so I just kind of reverse it. Just use Reckless to blend my under eye. 16 hours wear concealer from Revolution. I am using, you have seen this on my videos or my channel many times. I got 2 of these, but this one is more like the summer one because it's summer and we all get darker anyway, so it's really good this time now. Then during winter I will swap to the other one. So the brush I'm using to dab it down is from our brush collection. You can go and check all the brushes and everything. You can check them out on my website, which is makeupitime.com. Juvia's Place I'm using. Setting powder, Juvia's Place. My shade is Sahara. The one I'm using right now. Sahara. This setting powder is so good, it's unbelievable. The weather was so warm yesterday. Even today I'm boiling. So this is Tammi S Revolution face palette, golden hour. I'm gonna use everything on this palette right now. I use the contour and the bronzer shade. I mix both together. I like it that way when I mix it together. Even my forehead, kind of bring it, you know, because I'm not wearing, I have wig on, but I got my hair out, so my forehead is actually showing first time. Just want to contour my nose. I've done that. So I use the shade, the one that is meant for blush, the blush shade, I would just call it. Then I use the highlighter shade to highlight from the palette. Oh, that was I have been using this palette lately. Since the day I bought it, I have not touched any other highlighter or any other. Maybe I'll mix it with other Revolution, but I seems to be using this face palette a lot. I really like it. Like the idea. I like the highlighter a lot. Just settle on your skin. This is now what we call the final look, guys. I just put a lip gloss on from Revolution, guys. Nothing major. And the lashes is from our lash collection. You can check that out as well. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye, guys. Love ya. Bye.